Yes, I do. Even home, I also wear it.
No, because I feel very sticky once I put on sunscreen.
My day would usually run around office and everything. It's always indoors, so I don't see the need of sunscreen.
Yeah, actually I realized that because I go out for outdoor job.
I think other than getting darker, not really.
Yes, I'm aware of that. So that's why I'm wearing sunscreen, so that when I'm older, I don't have skin cancer or pigmentation. Skincare and sunscreen.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, sure. I love that.
I would definitely want to try that out.